Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberry yogurt bites. Slice strawberries, dry them well, and prepare a thickened yogurt dip by straining excess liquid. Dip each berry partially, chill briefly, then drizzle melted chocolate for a pretty finish. Freeze on a parchment-lined tray until firm, then transfer to a sealed container for effortless snacking. I'll walk you through timing, texture tips, and simple storage so your treats stay perfect. Gather fresh strawberries, plain or vanilla yogurt, and good melting chocolate for coating. I recommend straining the yogurt to create a thicker, creamier dip that adheres well. Pat strawberries fully dry to prevent soggy bites, and chilled trays help set the coating faster. Use a gentle double boiler or microwave in short bursts to melt chocolate smoothly. I'll show low-effort techniques to keep yields consistent and cleanup minimal for busy cooks. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep yogurt bites fresh and prevent spills during transport, perfect for lunches or picnics. They save space and hassle when layering frozen treats. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can pick them up. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Work quickly when dipping so the yogurt and chocolate maintain their textures. Dip strawberries halfway or fully depending on your presentation, then place them on a parchment-lined tray with space between each bite. Chill until firm so coating set cleanly, and avoid touching until solid. If adding sprinkles, do so before chilling so they adhere. I'll also share quick fixes for runny yogurt and how to thaw bites without sogginess for perfect serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.